Good morning to all. Last session we saw about theories of unemployment and income, the meaning of unemployment and full employment. Now we are going to see types of unemployment. Before we are going to in detail about the types of unemployment, we have to see what are the nature of a type of unemployment in developed countries and developing countries. In developed countries, the unemployment is purely temporary, cyclical or frictional unemployment. But in developing countries like India, it is structural unemployment. I hope you know the difference for developed and developing country. Developed countries, you can take example for US, UK, Germany, France, etc. And developing countries in India. So developing countries, the nature of unemployment is structural, and in developed countries the nature of unemployment is temporary, cyclical or frictional. And now we'll see the types of unemployment: cyclical, seasonal, frictional, educated, technical, structural and disguised unemployment. Let's see one by one. The first one is cyclical unemployment. Cyclical unemployment is nothing but the downturn phase of a trade cycle. I hope you know the trade cycle. Already in the last year we study about this one, the trade cycle, that is many ups and downs. This period is called as a boom period and a recession period, depression period. So during the recession period and depression period, the cyclical unemployment is nothing but income and output will fall. What will happen for income and output during a recession and depression period? It is our income and output will become fall, and that leads to unemployment. So the cyclical unemployment, you just remember, it is because only of a trade cycle. And how can it be prevented in the country? And it can be cured by increasing public investment. Public investment is nothing but laying roads, constructing dams, building house facility for many persons. So, by increasing a public investment, the cyclical unemployment can be removed from the country. Next, we will see the seasonal unemployment. The word itself given the meaning for you. Seasonal unemployment is nothing but a person can get an employment opportunity only during a half season only. So certain season of the year only a person will get an employment opportunity. Remaining period they will become unemployed. Better example, you can take a ice cream. Ice cream industry during during the summer season, there is a more demand for ice cream. So naturally there will be a more production for ice cream. So they will employ more number of laborers. What will happen for other seasons? Some winter season so the ice cream is less demand. So there will be a less workers also. And similarly for a holiday resort. Holiday resort during a summer season, Ooty and Kodaikanal, there is a more demand for rooms, is it not? So, and during a half season, they won't get employment. And similarly, in agriculture, the sugar industry. Sugar industry is an agro-based industry. During a half season only, they will get an employment. Remaining period, they will be unemployed. So, the seasonal unemployment is nothing but during a particular year, during a year, the person will get only half. During a particular year, a person may not get an employment opportunity. Seasonal unemployment. Next one, frictional or temporary unemployment. Temporary or frictional unemployment. There is an imbalance between demand for and supply of labor. What is that one? Imbalance between demand for and supply of labor. For example, if you can take a teaching job. Okay, so nowadays most of the persons are not interested for a teaching job, but ரொம்ப வருஷம் ஆனா கூட the teachers, schools teachersங்கிற வேலை இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். So there is a more demand for laborers. If most of the persons are not interested to study that subject, there will be a lagging in supply of labor. So there is an imbalance existing between demand for and the supply of labor for that job. That is called as frictional or temporary unemployment. Next one, educated unemployment. Educated unemployment. The person is educated but they are not getting a job. Still he is waiting for a white collar job, or he may underemployed or unemployed. That is called educated unemployment. After your studies, after you finishing your graduation, only a bachelor degree if you are completed, but you are waiting for a good job during that period. So waiting for a job during that period, you won't get any employment opportunities. That is called educated unemployment. Technical unemployment. What is the technical unemployment? Technical unemployment is modern technical in capital intensive techniques. ஓகே, இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வைல் வி ஆர் டேக்கிங் அ ஃபார்மிங்கில் பார்த்தோன்னா இப்போ அறுவடை பண்ணுறதெல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா மெஷினரியே பண்ணிட ஆரம்பிச்சிடுது. அப்போ அந்த மெஷினரிஸில் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா அப்படியே அழகாக கட்டுன்னு அதே கட்டி வச்சிருது. இப்போ நாற்று நடுறது கூட மிஷின்ஸ் வந்துடுச்சு. இப்போ முதல்லலாம் பார்த்தோன்னா நிறைய லேபர்ஸ் எம்ப்ளாய் ஆகியிருப்பாங்க. ஆனால் டியூ டு திஸ் இன்வென்ஷன் ஆர் த இன்னோவேஷன் there will be more unemployed. That is what technical unemployment. Next one, structural unemployment. This is change in structure of the society. Society oda structure has been changed. For example, so before 10 years there will be a 10 or 15 years ஒவ்வொரு வீட்லையுமே பார்த்தோன்னா will have a radio or a tape recorder. But after the invention of this cell phones, most of the houses they won't have a radio or a tape recorder. So the demand for one product, phone, reduce the demand for another product. Is it not? That is what structural changes or structural unemployment. Next one is disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment is nothing but more people are there than what actually requires for the ஜாப். ஓகேவா? ஒரு ஜாபுக்கு எத்தனை பேர் தேவையோ, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ ஒரு வீட்டுக்கு டைல்ஸ் போடுறாங்கன்னா அந்த வீட்டுக்கு 3 பேர் டைல்ஸ் போடுறதுக்கு போகுது அப்படின்னா, ஆனால் 10 பேரை வேலைக்கு வைக்கிறது. அந்த 3 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது பார்த்தோன்னா ஒரு 1 வீக் செய்கிற வேலையை 10 பேர் இருந்தாங்கன்னா 4 நாளில் முடிச்சிருவாங்க. அந்த ரிமைனிங் டேஸ் அந்த 10 பேருக்கு வேலை இல்லாமல் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? தட் இஸ் கால்ட் டிஸ்கைஸ்டு அன்எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட். ஓகே, பட் த ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி ஃப்ரம் த எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் த லேபர் இஸ் நில் ஆர் ஜீரோ. ஆனால் அந்த எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஹேண்ட் ஆஃப் லேபரோட ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி என்னவாக இருக்குமா? நில் ஆர் ஜீரோ. யூ மே பி எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் ஃபார் 1 mark question. Very important one. So I'll sum up once again. During developed countries, unemployment is purely temporary, but in developing countries, it is structural. Types of unemployment: cyclical, seasonal, frictional, educated, technical, structural, and disguised unemployment. Thank you.